Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to draw for the first time on my brand new iPad. Yeah, this is my new iPad. Okay, as you can see, Apple here. No, I'm not showing off. So let's see how it goes. As you can see, this is my iPad. I'm going to draw the sketch of Neymar. In my previous video you saw I had drawn the outline of the sketch of Neymar using pencil on paper, this one. Now I will color it digitally. Don't worry, I will continue the pencil sketch also, but now I will transfer the photo in the iPad and I will make a digital painting. As you can see, this is the outline. Now let's start the digital painting process.
The clouds in a state of flux, rolling through the sky, I forget the faces. Do you ever wonder why we try to find these places? Hold my hand and call out my name. We'll go to a land where our hearts can stay. I can see you falling, reaching for a grip. Come with me, I'm rising and I'll never let you slip, no. Reach the clouds in a state of flux, rolling through the sky, I forget the faces. Do you ever wonder why we try to find these places? Hold my hand and call out my name. We'll go to a land where our hearts can stay. I can see you falling, reaching for a grip. Come with me, I'm not.
That's it, I hope you really liked it. This was my first attempt to draw on iPad, so you can ignore the small mistakes. Also, I still need some accessories of the iPad to enhance the drawing experience. But yeah, I enjoyed the process. It was really nice. I am looking forward to draw more and more digital drawings using the iPad. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.